Alright guys, this video is about showing you the best Windows VPS or the cheapest Windows VPS. Alright, so if you are looking for a Windows VPS to stay online on Fiverr, this video is for you. If you are looking for the best and cheapest Windows VPS to run your Clickbank account from anywhere you are in the world, this video is for you. Alright, so I will log into my computer right now to show you this Windows VPS. Alright, so let's dive right in, guys. One love and peace out. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and let me know what you think about my app. Alright, so see you in the video, guys. Boom. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, I'll be showing you where to get quality and cheap VPS for your online business. Okay, if you have been looking for how to stay online on Fiverr 247, then a VPS will help you do that, and this video will show you where to get a cheap and high quality VPS. Okay, if you have also been looking for how to run a Clickbank account from anywhere in the world, this is for you. If you are looking for a quality VPS to run your favorite software on the cloud, this is for you. All right, basically VPS is a virtual private server, just like your personal computer, but this time around it is on the cloud. Okay, the same software you can run on your PC is the same software you can run inside of VPS. So let me log into my VPS and show you how it looks. Okay, so this is my VPS. all right, now as you can see, this is my VPS account. I'm already logged in. All right, let me open something else for you. Okay, let me open YouTube. All right, you can see loads faster because of the way it works. Okay, so you can use it to run any software. Right now I'm running Chrome, just Chrome inside this VPS because I need it for Fiverr and my Clickbank accounts and other services I operate online. Okay, so now let me show you where to get this VPS. So simply go to this link. I'll paste the link under the description of this video and also on the screen. Okay, so copy this link, then you open the link on your browser. Okay, open on your browser. So the VPS is Ionis VPS. Okay, they are very reliable and they are cheap. All right, so what you need to do, once you use that link, please ensure to use my link, because when you use my link, I get little commissions when you make a purchase. If that's your way of supporting me, I appreciate you. All right, so once you open that link, click on get started. All right, then register with your correct details. Ensure you use your correct details, please. Okay, so you don't run into problems along the line. All right, fill in your details, your street address, your country, then use a strong password, then click on register. Once you are registered, you now have an account. Okay, so I won't register because I already have an account. So let me just log in. Let me log into my own account. Okay, I'm already logged into my own account. Okay, so once you are logged in, just come to servers. Okay, come to servers, then click on new order. Right, so you can see the regions they currently offer: United Kingdom, United States of America, Texas, California, Virginia, New York, and Netherlands. So just come, for instance, let me select Texas, then I'll select 2016. So you can see 1V core, 2 gig RAM, 25 gig SSD, unlimited traffic is $6.50. Okay, so once you select your specification according to your need, for me 2 gig is enough for me, all right, to do my downloads, my uploads, staying online 247 and all that is enough for me, depending on what you want, depending on the capacity of what you want or what you want to do. You can choose a higher specification. Okay, so once you select your choice, is that monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually? Okay, so one server, so you can customize your server name here. You can say, maybe you can say Clickbank server. Okay, so for instance, then if you have a coupon, you can apply here. So once you are done, just click on agree and check out. All right, click on agree and check out. So as you can see, you can use PayPal to check out. All right, so just click on let's see, you can use PayPal to check out. You can use your credit cards. These are the payment method here. You can also use credit. All right, for instance, you can fund your account with some credit and use that for checkout. So just click on PayPal, for instance, then you log in to your PayPal account and check out. All right, as simple as that. You now have a VPS for yourself. All right, I believe by now you might have searched for cheap and reliable VPS and you didn't find one. I did the same thing. I searched online, I didn't find one. I stumbled upon this VPS from someone that sold the VPS to me. All right, so somehow he got to reveal it unknowingly to him. So I got the link and I'm showing you right now. Okay, so get your VPS and do what you want to do. So let me show you the specification of this VPS actually. So if I go to settings, you see Windows Server 2016, 2 gig RAM, 64-bit operating system, and 3.3 gigahertz of processor. Okay, so that is my VPS specification. Okay, so that's for this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Peace out.